Lazy Keto Diet. The ultimate guide to effortless weight loss. The Lazy Keto Diet has taken the health and fitness world by storm, offering a more relaxed approach to the traditional ketogenic diet. The details of the Lazy Keto Diet, exploring its benefits, meal plans, and tips to help you succeed. What is the Lazy Keto Diet? The Lazy Keto Diet is a simplified version of the standard ketogenic diet. Unlike the traditional keto diet, which requires meticulous tracking of macronutrients, the Lazy Keto Diet focuses primarily on limiting carbohydrate intake. This approach makes it easier for individuals to follow without constant monitoring. Critical principles of Lazy Keto: low carbohydrate intake. The core principle of Lazy Keto is to keep your carbohydrate intake low, typically under 20-50 grams daily. Moderate protein. Moderate protein consumption ensures that you get enough to support muscle maintenance and overall health. High fat. The majority of your daily caloric intake comes from healthy fats, which help keep you satiated and provide energy. Benefits of the Lazy Keto Diet: simplicity and convenience. One of the most significant advantages of the Lazy Keto Diet is its simplicity. Focusing only on carbohydrate intake eliminates the need for extensive meal planning and tracking, making it accessible to those with busy lifestyles. Weight loss. The Lazy Keto Diet can lead to effective weight loss by promoting a state of ketosis, where your body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. This metabolic shift can significantly reduce body weight and fat percentage. Improved energy levels. As your body adapts to burning fat for fuel, many individuals report more stable and sustained energy levels throughout the day. This can lead to improved productivity and overall well-being. Appetite control. High-fat and moderate protein meals can help control hunger and reduce cravings, making it easier to adhere to the diet and avoid overeating. Lazy Keto Meal Plan. Creating a Lazy Keto meal plan involves focusing on low-carb, high-fat foods while keeping meals simple and easy to prepare. Here is a sample meal plan to get you started. Breakfast keto omelet. Made with eggs, cheese, spinach, and mushrooms. Avocado smoothie, blended with avocado, almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder. Lunch chicken salad, grilled chicken breast on a bed of mixed greens, topped with olive oil and avocado. Bunless burger, a beef patty served with lettuce, tomato, pickles, and a slice of cheese. Dinner grilled salmon, served with steamed broccoli and a dollop of butter. Zucchini noodles with pesto, tossed in a homemade pesto sauce with cherry tomatoes and Parmesan cheese. Snacks: nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds. Cheese and deli meat roll-ups, slices of cheese rolled with turkey or ham. Tips for success on the Lazy Keto Diet: focus on whole foods. While convenience is a significant advantage of the Lazy Keto Diet, it is still essential to prioritize whole, unprocessed foods. This ensures you get the necessary nutrients and avoid hidden carbs and unhealthy ingredients. Stay hydrated. Adequate hydration is crucial on any diet but essential on a ketogenic diet. Drinking enough water helps maintain electrolyte balance and supports overall health. Listen to your body. The Lazy Keto Diet allows for flexibility, so listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues is vital. Eat when you are hungry and stop when satisfied rather than adhere to a strict meal schedule. Incorporate physical activity. Regular exercise can enhance the benefits of the Lazy Keto Diet by promoting fat loss, improving cardiovascular health, and boosting overall fitness. Aim for a combination of aerobic and resistance training exercises. Monitor progress. While the Lazy Keto Diet does not require meticulous tracking, it can be helpful to monitor your progress periodically. This can include tracking your weight, body measurements, and energy levels to ensure you are moving toward your goals. Conclusion: the Lazy Keto Diet offers a flexible and straightforward approach to achieving ketosis and enjoying the benefits of a ketogenic lifestyle. By focusing on low-carb, high-fat foods and prioritizing whole, unprocessed ingredients, you can experience weight loss, improved energy levels, and better appetite control. Remember to stay hydrated, incorporate physical activity, and listen to your body's needs for the best results.